Inside your body, a silent war is being waged against your very existence. With every passing year, your cellular machinery begins to fail. Proteins, the building blocks of your life, become damaged, misfolded, and tangled, clogging your cells like garbage in an engine. This toxic buildup is a primary driver of aging, leading to muscle decay, cognitive decline, and systemic inflammation. This isn't a possibility, it's a biological certainty called proteostasis loss, and it is happening to you right now. But your body possesses an ancient, powerful defense system, forged in the crucible of evolution. It's a survival mechanism called hormesis. By introducing a short, controlled stressor, like intense heat, you can trigger a system-wide alarm. This isn't damaging stress. It's a strategic signal that tells your body a threat is imminent. In response, your cells don't just brace for impact. They launch a preemptive counterattack, activating a cascade of protective and regenerative processes that are far more powerful than the initial stress itself. This alarm unleashes your body's elite special forces, heat shock proteins, or HSPs. As research published by the National Institutes of Health confirms, these are not ordinary proteins. They are molecular chaperones, cellular paramedics that hunt down damaged, misfolded proteins. They seize this toxic debris and, with incredible force, refold it back into its correct functional shape or tag it for removal. This is the frontline defense against the cellular chaos of aging, actively cleaning up the wreckage that leads to disease and decline. The impact of activating these proteins is profound and system-wide. In your cardiovascular system, HSPs improve the function of your blood vessel linings and help modestly lower blood pressure. For your muscles, the effect is dramatic. Rodent studies show that heat therapy can reduce muscle atrophy during disuse by up to 37%, a powerful countermeasure to age-related muscle loss, or sarcopenia. Your immune system is also supercharged with increased production of white blood cells. You are not just slowing down aging, you are actively rebuilding a more resilient, fortified version of yourself. So, how do we systematically command this powerful response? The most direct and efficient method is through deliberate heat exposure. One study demonstrated that just 30 minutes in a 163-degree Fahrenheit environment boosted HSP levels by a staggering 49%. This is the key, raising your core body temperature. While traditional saunas operate at high air temperatures of 180 to 200 degrees, infrared saunas can achieve this effect at a more tolerable 125 to 150 degrees by heating your body directly. The goal is the same: induce a state of thermal stress that forces your body to adapt and release its army of repair proteins. This isn't about comfort. It's about triggering a specific, powerful biological upgrade. Theory is useless without action. Here's the precise 3-part weekly protocol to systematically harness heat shock proteins for anti-aging. First, the thermal stress mandate. You will engage in 3 to 4 sauna sessions per week. The target is 20 minutes at a temperature between 160 and 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This duration and frequency have been shown in observational studies to be a sweet spot for activating HSPs and improving cardiovascular outcomes. The key is consistency. This regular signal trains your body to maintain a heightened state of repair. Second, the fuel restriction amplifier. 2 days a week, you will implement time-restricted eating by consuming all your calories within an 8-hour window, for example, from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. This caloric restriction is another powerful independent trigger for HSPs. When you stack this with your sauna sessions, you create a powerful synergistic effect, telling your body to aggressively clean out cellular debris. Third, the physical catalyst. Twice a week, perform a 15-minute high-intensity interval training, or HIIT session. This could be sprinting for 30 seconds, followed by 60 seconds of walking, repeated 7 times. Intense exercise also upregulates HSPs to deal with the metabolic stress. By combining these three pillars, targeted heat, intermittent fasting, and intense exercise, you create a multifaceted assault against cellular aging, forcing your body into a constant state of regeneration and resilience. This is your blueprint for taking control.